Have you ever wondered about the joys of rain gardens? Let's dive into the magical world of these green spaces. Rain gardens serve a noble purpose, improving water quality in nearby bodies of water. They're not just about aesthetics, they're environmental heroes, transforming rainwater from being seen as waste into a valuable resource. This eco-friendly solution to rainwater runoff captures, stores, and cleanses rainwater, contributing to healthier ecosystems. Indeed, rain gardens are magical havens that turn rainwater into an environmental advantage. But what makes rain gardens so beneficial, you may ask? Well, the answer lies in their multifaceted utility. They serve as a natural buffer against flooding, soaking up rainwater that would otherwise overwhelm drains and erode soil. But that's not all. By capturing runoff, rain gardens also recharge our local groundwater, ensuring a sustainable water source for the future. And let's not forget about our feathered and furry friends. Rain gardens are havens for wildlife, providing a lush habitat that attracts a variety of creatures. Plus, they enhance the aesthetic appeal of our yards and communities, transforming them into vibrant, living art pieces. Clearly, the benefits of rain gardens extend far beyond simply being an attractive addition to your landscape. Now that you know the benefits, are you interested in creating your own rain garden? Crafting your very own rain garden is actually quite simple. First, select the ideal location, somewhere where water naturally collects. Then design your garden, keeping in mind the size and shape you want. Next, choose plants that flourish in your local climate and can withstand both drought and flooding. Lastly, ensure regular maintenance to keep your garden thriving. Creating your own rain garden can be a rewarding endeavor, contributing positively to your local environment. Rain gardens truly are a joy, aren't they? They not only grace our spaces with beauty, but also contribute remarkably to the environment. They're a delight for garden enthusiasts. Before you go, remember to give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.